Let's have a spring tour of our allotment. Welcome to Gardening with Ben, and today we're going to give you a little spring tour of and show you what's growing and all the beautiful blooms what we've got out in the plot, because I just want to share them with you all because they're looking absolutely gorgeous. So let's have a look around the plot. So as you can see at the front, we've got all the tulips coming out, looking absolutely gorgeous. Look at them. Absolutely gorgeous. All the daffodils are dying off. And then as we come onto the plot, look at these tulips, absolutely gorgeous. I love all the weird and wonderful looking tulips. Absolutely gorgeous ones. Perfect for the bees to land on and get the pollen and the nectar that they need. But yeah, look at this as well, fritalis. Absolutely gorgeous. First year I've grown this, so yeah, I'm happy with how that's looking. But yeah, all the tulips are looking absolutely gorgeous. All the rhubarb's doing amazing. Look at all that. Absolutely amazing. Then we've got all the pear tree blossom out. So hopefully we get some good pears this year on the tree, because there's absolutely loads and loads of blossom on it. And then my fuchsia's starting to flower as well. Look at this. We've got some flowers coming on it already. Absolutely amazing. I didn't prune it back. I should have really pruned it back a bit this year, but oh well, we'll leave it, as it looks absolutely amazing, and hopefully get some great flowers on it. These tulips are starting to go. These were the first ones to come out, but yeah, they've been absolutely stunning, as you've probably seen in lots of my photos. We've got gladiolas planted in buckets, and we'll place them around the plot. When they're starting to flower and starting to pop up, we'll place them around, so we're just keeping them all together while we keep them watered. We've got more tulips down this side. Look at these ones, absolutely amazing, absolutely stunning. I've got so many different varieties of tulips growing, so many varieties, absolutely amazing. Then we've got some of the monster lilies, skycrest scraper lilies, down the middle of the strawberry beds, which I'm excited for, seeing how well they grow. That one's starting to pop through already, as you can see. So I'm growing them down the middle of my strawberries so that I can put canes in and support them if needs be. The plum tree, absolutely loads of blossom on them both. So hopefully we get some plums on these trees this year. These have been in probably about 3 to 4 years, so they're getting established. But yeah, hopefully this year we get plums on them. Absolutely loads of tulips. Then look at this area, absolutely stunning. Absolutely gorgeous, so many tulips. We've done so well with the tulips this year. We've got us garlic growing, some more garlic there. We've got us broad beans growing, what we started off over the winter. They're all flowering now, so hopefully we get some broad beans on them. We've got some onions in there, what we planted in October. Down the sides we've got loads of daffodils, absolutely loads. Absolutely stunning. These were all new this year, all these daffodils. So the amount of daffodils we've got this year is outstanding. We've got our potatoes in his potato buckets. When they start popping through, we'll put some more compost on top, keeping them outside where they're getting a lot of sunlight and keeping them well watered. Then these are the onions that I planted in March. We started those off in containers first. They look better than the winter ones, but we started them off in containers first. All growing really well. We need to water all them, to be honest. And then in this top area, we've just planted 300 summer flowering bulbs. I've covered them with netting to stop the squirrel from pinching them, because I had tulips in these and the squirrel pinched them all. So yeah, we're keeping them covered until they start growing. And then look at this little woodland area. Excuse the skull, it's not real. And we've got some bluebells. We've got this little bench what we sit on, full of bird poo. I need to wash that off. But even the nettles make it more woodland looking. Looks absolutely gorgeous. So hopefully we can get some more flowers in there over the summer period and see about growing stuff in there. But yeah, it's all coming on well. All the beds will start to fill up in May time when we plant stuff out. But obviously for the time being, while there's chances of frost around, it's still getting cold at night. We don't plant anything out as yet. So make sure you drop us a follow to stay up to date with all our videos and how well we get on this year down at the plot. Until next time everyone, remember, keep smiling, keep shining and keep gardening with Ben everyone.